Welcome to Motor City. Today's vehicle is a 1984 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck that's been a recipient of a frame-off nut and bolt restoration, according to the seller, with all new mechanical and suspension, a new 468 big block Chevy engine, new turbo 350 transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, rust-free all original sheet metal, new paint, interior redone, all gauges work, and no mention of mileage. But this one sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $17,250. And it was good looking color, that's for sure. Really caught your eye. And probably part of the reason for the price, it wouldn't pass smog in California. So if any of you that live in California know, if it doesn't pass smog, you can't drive it. So it had to be sold to either a dealer or out of state. And a lot of times that keeps the price down a little bit. But yeah, I think you got quite a bit for the money with all that work that was done to it. You couldn't really do all that work yourself for that kind of money. And then you have to buy a vehicle to start with. So somebody got a great deal. And it was a good looker. Maybe not the greatest wheels, but wheels are always personal taste. But when you buy it, that's probably the first thing that most people change anyway, is tires and wheels. But anyway, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1984 Chevy C10 pickup truck that was a nut and bolt restoration with a new 468 cubic inch big block Chevy and a new turbo 350 transmission and the addition of four-wheel disc brakes with a new paint job, new interior, totally redone. Nice truck, which sold for $17,250 at my local auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.